The bigger portion.
It's a bright afternoon in Yusuf and Maryam's home. Today they're enjoying a special treat in the kitchen.
I'll have the bigger portion, Maryam. I'm bigger than you.
But I want it too, Yusuf. It's not fair if you always get more.
My dears, nobody is getting a bigger portion. You will both get the same, insha'Allah. It's important to be fair and just in all that we do. Remember, Allah says in the Quran, in Surah 83, Ayah 1-3, "Woe to those who give less in measure and weight, those who, when they have to receive by measure from men, demand full measure, and when they have to give by measure or weight to others, give less than due."
Yusuf and Maryam look at each other, reflecting on their mother's words.
Instead of arguing, you should be fair with each other. Sometimes, even if we get a smaller portion, Allah will still bless what we have.
You're right, Umi. I'll take any portion.
And I'll take any portion too.
That's great, my dears. Enjoy your dessert.
Yum!
Yusuf and Maryam learn that fairness and sharing bring more happiness than getting a bigger portion. And with the blessings of Allah, even a small portion can feel like a feast.
Yusuf and Maryam!
Yusuf and Maryam.